To determine the number of can lights needed for a room, there are several steps involved. Firstly, determine the room size and height. Measure the length and width of the room in feet. Also, measure the height of the ceiling in feet. Secondly, calculate the room area. Multiply the length by the width to get the room area in square feet. Thirdly, calculate the room volume. Multiply the room area by the ceiling height to get the room volume in cubic feet. Fourthly, determine the light fixture wattage. Use the following formula to calculate the total wattage required for the room. Wattage equals room volume times lighting density. Lighting density varies depending on the desired brightness level and task, for example, working or relaxing. Here are some recommended values. For a living room, use 1.5 to 2.0 watts per cubic foot. For a kitchen, use 2.0 to 2.5 watts per cubic foot. For a bedroom, use 1.0 to 1.5 watts per cubic foot. Fifthly, divide by the can light wattage. Divide the total wattage by the intended wattage of each can light. This will give you the approximate number of can lights needed. Here is an example. Assume a room size of 12 feet by 15 feet, a ceiling height of 8 feet, and a lighting density of 2.0 watts per cubic foot. The room area is 12 feet times 15 feet, which equals 180 square feet. The room volume is 180 square feet times 8 feet, which equals 1440 cubic feet. The total wattage is 1440 cubic feet times 2.0 watts per cubic foot, which equals 2880 watts. If the can light wattage is 60 watts, then the number of can lights is 2880 watts divided by 60 watts, which equals 48 can lights. In addition to these calculations, consider the spacing of the can lights to ensure even illumination. Account for any natural light sources, such as windows. Adjust the number of can lights as needed based on the specific layout and furnishings of the room.